Okay, we are a few weeks into the coronavirus. I've just been shopping. There is a little bit of panic. You can see the anxiety and I suppose stress in people. My name's Daniel. I run Love It TV. We're a channel that gets people off the sofa into nature. We've got loads of videos on growing food, compost, planting trees, social change, nature connection, building community. We also film lots of talks, live events and other things as well associated with living lighter on the planet, for people wanting to think outside the box. We're in challenging times. For that reason, over the next 8 weeks we're going to make a series of videos growing food from scratch. It doesn't matter if you're living in a city and you've just got a small balcony, or if you've got a lot of land. We're going to basically run a series of videos. The first video is going to be just weeding a plot that I've got already, this 3 by 3 meter plot. As you can see, there's some broccoli here, there's some chard already there as well. Second video, we're going to go into the greenhouse. We're going to start planting seeds. I'm going to be doing potatoes, onions, chives, salads, purple sprouting broccoli, cabbages, sweet corn. The idea is I'm going to remove some of this grass as well. That's probably going to be in video 3 or video 4. And I'm going to turn my patch here, my 3 by 4 meter patch, into a 9 meter by 4 meter patch. So I've got a lot more area to grow in. You don't need to have a flat patch like this. You can have a few window boxes. You could just use a couple of flower beds that you've got already. So the idea is it's going to be step-by-step instructions. I'm not an expert. I have grown food for about 5 or 6 years. I've also filmed some of the best food growers in the country, so you know, I have picked up some knowledge, but this is a learning curve for me as well. So growing food, there's a lot of positives to it. It ticks loads of boxes. Firstly, it's good for our economy. If everybody starts growing food, we save millions of pounds. Secondly, it makes people feel less vulnerable. It means you're not relying on the food supply chains, which are very, very fragile at the moment. Thirdly, it's great for people's mental health. Gets people out into nature, digging, growing stuff. You can do it with your family. If people are ill, for example, and they need to isolate for a few weeks, then yeah, weed the patch together, plant some seeds, set up your own little garden. On the mental health tip as well, it is proven that people who are outside, you know, digging in the soil, cutting stuff, getting active, you know, it is good for you. So yeah, there's loads of positive stuff, obviously, and it tastes amazing as well. It's great to grow your own food. It's great for the children as well on the whole learning front, and allowing them to know where their food comes from. So yeah, if you know people who have some land, they might want to grow food. If you know people that are into improving their health and well-being, as I said, it's going to be over 8 weeks, and we're going to transform a pretty small weedy vegetable patch, double the size of it, and in 8 weeks time we're going to have loads of nice vegetables coming up, and you know, it's going to be a really beautiful space. So that's my objective. So we really hope that you can join us. Do share the videos, get involved. As I said, I'm not an expert, so I'm learning as well. So yeah, we can do this together, and hopefully in 8 weeks time there'll be thousands and thousands of us all over the country growing our own food and trying to take some positivity from these challenging times.